Hi guys, grabe ang init, ang tindi. Summertime na kasi. Gumawa kami ng shade. Ayan, shade ito. Dito may shade naman siya. Ayan, kagawa ng shade. Shade. Yung rose nandoon. Meron din kami dalawang upuan dyan. Shade din dito, shade din doon. Grabe ang summer init dito. Yan ang kanyang yung aking boat trailer ay nandyan. Ito ang bulaklak. Ito ang ating angel dito. Ayan, gumawa ako ng shade yan. Grabe ang tindi ng araw, di ba? Kita nyo? Ito yung frangipani. Summer. Ito ang another table dito. Ilagyan ko siya ng succulent plants. Dito ganun din, nilagyan ko rin siya ng succulent plants. Ito, lagay ko. Ayun yung boat trailer ko yun eh. Ito, dito ko na nga lang ito ilagay. Ayan, meron din kaming plants dyan. Succulent plants. Matindi init dito guys. Grabe, pinagpawisan ako. Kauuwi ko nga lang. Hi guys, grabe. Maririnig mo ang aking aircon sa tindi ng init dito. Ayan, ang aking window aircon. Ayan, nag-window aircon po. Grabe, ang tindi ng init. Nag-drive ako. Pag-uwi ko, basang-basaw ako ng pawis, guys. Ay, naku, day. Tatapang basura. Medyo mahangin ata. Hangin kaya gawa tayo siya. Naku, medyo mahangin. Delikado ang hangin. guys. Hi people! Ayan, katatapos ko lang mag-moisturize cream before I start my computer work. Nag-cream muna ako. For sure, don't forget the cream every day to treat the damaged skin and back to a normal healthy skin. Okay, March na tayo guys, so hindi na kagaya ng February super init. Summertime ang February, napaka-init, grabe. Nai-irritate ang mata ko, ang skin ko. Pero ngayon March na tayo, papasok na ang autumn. So, gaganda na ang weather, hindi ka na masyadong irritable, ang skin mo mag-glow. So, okay, nung kainitan ng February, nag-enjoy ako sandali for 3 months na walang enjoyment. Sa init, pumasok ako ng club para itong aircon ba. Ma-enjoy mo yung cool room. So guys, nag-enjoy ako sandali sa club. Nag-try. Hindi ko i-recommend na gawin nyo. So, minsan, yung pag-stress ka, pampawala ba ng stress? Panoorin nyo, naglaro ako. Ayan. After ng moisturizing ko, ngayon ay doing my regular skin treatment with the skincare cream. Ito siya, diba? Itong extra care. Para siyang yung old pants, guys. Yung original pants. Ganun ang texture at ang ganda niya. Ito na nga yung wrinkle cream moisturizing. Maganda siya, hindi siya talagang malagkit. Kung ano yung Pond's na brand noon, ganun ang ano niya, ang feeling niya, parang nag-Pond's ka. So yan, computer work na ako. Dami kong mga notes dyan, no? Tapos aayusin ko pa yung aking YouTube. So, dahil nga sa init ng February, ilalagay ko yung part na naglaro ako sandali sa club para nandun ako sa cool room, pampaalis din ng stress, you know. Minsan, hindi ko i-recommend na gawin nyo. For to me, gusto kong mag-relax at mag-enjoy konti. Nag-try ako doon. There's a pan-cute a game that I played there. After 3 months na lumabas ako, isi-share ko sa inyo. Pero, as I said, I'm not recommending that you will do the same that I'm doing about this. Sa sobrang busy ng schedule ko, minsan syempre kailangan ko ng enjoyment. I'm going to share to you the snap shot nung nandoon ako sa club na nag-enjoy sandali. Dahil para nga mapil ko rin yung cool room, yung aircon, kasi doon, aircon doon eh. And then you can get a free drink, of course, any drink, unlimited drink you can ask while you are into playing. So you can get coffee or Coke, orange juice, unlimited drink when you doing your playing. Ngayon yan, umuulan na ngayon guys. Ayan na guys, nakakatuwa. Kasi maganda to, ano siya eh, honeybee game. Natuwa ba ako? Kaso mo, nananalo na sana ako. Itong Pinoy, tumawag-tawag ba naman? Ay nako, pinalampas ang lucky time ko. Nananalo ko and then tumawag-tawag. Ayan na nga, nananalo ko. Tumawag-tawag ba naman tong si Pinoy? ay ayan, pinalampas yung lucky time ko, nakakaasar. Ang ganda, relax na relax ako, tapos ayan, nagbibigay sa akin, may biglang tumawag, nasira ang lucky time. Ayan guys, raining kami the whole week since this weekend this week, and when entered Monday, we start rain and shine, and yesterday is a continuous raining, and that was Friday yesterday, continuous raining. Today is Saturday, I think it's a continuous raining. So that's my sweet posters, and this a donut posters. So yan ang sitwasyon dito ngayon pagpasok ng week, Monday and Saturday now. Well, hindi grabe ang Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Medyo okay ang weather ng Monday, medyo ambon-ambon. Pero itong Friday and Saturday mukhang whole day raining siya. Ayan ang sitwasyon ngayon. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm going to check the weather next week. It's because yung mga nagtatrabaho will start on Monday. Yung mga nagtatrabaho mahihirapan ng pag umuulan pag nagko-commute. So, mabuti yung mga nagda-drive, okay, convenient sila. Dahil umulan man o umaraw, okay ang kanilang sitwasyon dahil nakaka-drive sila. But the people not driving, yan ang mahirap. Kailangan ganitong tag-ulan ma-service. Kailangan ma-service ang taong hindi pa nakaka-drive dahil hindi magandang basa na sila pagdating sa trabaho. Paano naman na-i-maintain kung malinis ang shop? Kahit paano na i-maintain kung malinis ang shop. Ayan, malinis siya. Ito yung aking mga notes, mga list for some wedding songs list na maaaring i-recommend for people want their wedding songs. Ayan yung aking tablet. Pag nandito ako, busy ako, pwede akong manood dito. At ito ang ating mga shelves for products. Ito guys, gumawa ako ng new pancake flavor, cheese and bacon with the maple syrup and butter. So another flavor for mother and daughter's cafe. We have this bacon cheese in maple syrup pancake. Ito guys, meron din kaming new service to offer the community, item delivery service. Minimum charge for $50, and for further kilometers for delivery and pick up $50 to $100, and depend okay, guys, how big the items that we gonna pick up and deliver. So it's about minimum $50 to $100. Yeah, mother and daughter item delivery service in Central Coast. Guys, if you have an items need to be picked up or delivered, we are here for you. mother and daughter item delivery service.
DIY shop
Just call me.
na gusto mong
My number is
i-deliver
there.
to your
I'm
place
in
kasi
Facebook Market.
wala kang
You can
truck
go to the
o
Facebook
ute.
Market and
Pwede akong
give me a
i-hire
call
to
and
deliver
we
the
can
product
set the
that you bought
schedule
to the shop
if
to
we
bring
will
to your
go
door,
to
or
do
for example
job.
meron kayong gamit
And
na
hope
hindi na kailangan na
you will
ngayon
see
sa
me and
marketplace
find
ng
me
Facebook may
to
buy and
a
sell.
market,
So halimbawa
Facebook Market
sa market
place.
nakakita ka ng
And for sure we
furnitures
are here to help,
na hindi ganong
and
kalakihan
it's our
guys,
job,
halimbawa
it's
nakakita
our
ka ng furnitures,
business
table or
to do this
chairs
delivery
or
service.
aircons,
And just call
ngayon
Edit
gusto
to
mong
that
bilhin
number
para
noted
dalhin
there.
sa'yo,
Go to the
dahil
Facebook
wala kang truck,
Market,
kotse lang ang
and you
gamit
can see
mo,
me there
nag-o-offer ang
and
mother
give
and
me a
daughter
chat.
ng items delivery service. So, depending sa layo, kilometer away ng lugar nyo, magbe-base ang amount of service fee. But usually, minimum $50 per item to be picked up and delivered to your door. But if it will be far away, it will range to $50 to $100 every service. Okay guys, I'm here in Central Coast, mother and daughters item delivery service. We are available for our community for doing this delivery service that you needing. For the old people, for the single mothers, old people not able to lift their things that they want to remove or they want to bring into their house. We are here to offer our service of furniture deliveries and any offices items, and for single mother as well that needing help for bringing any items to their house or removing items to their house. We are here, mother and daughters item delivery service, Central Coast, Sydney. Just call my contact number in here. Call that number and look for Edit, and we're going to assist your needs.
Hi guys, mother and daughter cafe. We have this caramel flavor frappe, and we have the number. You can call us or Uber Eat order.
Guys,
And for Filipinos who love the halo halo, we are making halo halo as well with the smell goods jackfruit langka on
we have
top.
langka, black
We have
beans,
available halo
and
halo here
kaong.
at mother and daughter
And we have mango,
in Central Coast, Capeban.
peach, black
Okay,
jelly,
we're waiting for you. Nasa Uber
corn,
Eat kami. Pwede kayong umorder sa Uber Eat to be delivered to your door, or
and to
you
be
can call me
delivered
direct
soon,
to my number
next door.
for order and delivery.
Okay, here's
Nagdi-deliver
our
din ako. So, meron din kaming pizza, onion, mushroom, cheese pizza, at chocolate frappe. Meron din kaming ham and onion, tomato, cheese pizza. Pwede rin kayong mag-request ng champorado. Ito ang paborito ni sister, champorado. Ngayon, ang pancake namin, meron kaming pancake, meron na kaming new flavor. Ito ay strawberry cream pancake. Meron na rin kaming bacon and cheese in a maple syrup pancake. Meron din kaming mango and cream pancake. Meron din kaming blueberry pancake.
blueberry cream pancake.
Get your
Meron
orders
din
too.
kaming
We
peach
have
cream
Filipino halo-halo as
pancake.
well.
So we're in the Uber Eats
Have available
order
now
app.
our
You can order through
Filipino
Uber
halo-halo.
Eats to be delivered to your door.
So sa
Or
mga
you can
Pilipino,
call me direct
order na
if
kayo sa mother and
I'm
daughter.
delivering too. So here's our